best dolphin noise.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Now guys, some very sad news. Halloween has officially been canceled. But good news, we had Christmas in July. And I got a little present. The new merch finally came in the mail. I'm gonna show you guys that in a little bit. There's a little adventure I went on last Christmas, which I never showed you. Hope you guys enjoy. We're going to SeaWorld. I'm excited to ride some new roller coasters, experience some new attractions in Orlando. All right, first ride of the day is gonna be Manta. And we're going front row. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! What the hell? Ah! 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 What did we just do? I wasn't expecting that ride at all. My soul left my body. I'm back now. We were drooling everywhere.
Your face was beet red.
That was great. I liked it.
Dom is pure happiness. And then there's me. Oh my god. Oh. It says we're at Key West, but I don't see Kermit's Key Lime Pie.
Tasty.
Or our favorite guy singing our favorite karaoke to us. Stingray Lagoon. It looks like we can touch the stingray. Fins come up. It looks like a bunch of little sharks out there. Dun dun. Uh-oh. Dun 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 dun. You touched a stingray. Look at the dolphins. We have discovered an underwater viewing area for the dolphins. Turtle Trek. I'm gonna guess it's a mix between Test Track and Turtle Talk with Crush. I wonder how old that guy is. Dom, what'd you just say it was?
It's a statue?
I thought it was a real turtle there for a second.
Huh?
Fun fact about the statue leatherback.
They can be as big as a dinner table. And weigh a ton.
So I think Atlantis is down. I was really excited to ride it, but it looks like Scrooge McDuck right there. We're in the Atlantis Aquarium now. What? There's a stingray underneath my foot. Then we got fish above us. Oh, this is a magical place. This is by far the weirdest place I have ever seen a survey. After Crohn's eating up, the last thing I want to do is take a 30-second survey. Happy holidays from the bottom of the world. We're going into the Antarctica now. We're going to ride Empire of the Penguin. Now, I was on the phone with Chris last night. He said it's a trackless ride like Rise of the Resistance, and there's also an Emperor, so he said SeaWorld did it first. We about to go on the wildest expedition in Antarctica. There he is. Oh, getting ourselves into. They look like a bunch of alien, like, uvulas. Oh, what's up, little buddy? But it's beautiful. Oh, we made it. I smell penguins, and there are penguins. So many penguins, but it is freezing in here. For some reason, this reminds me of like Seussland at Universal. For some reason, we're now here to hear this, see the sea lions. Oh my God, they're so low.
Is that real?
Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, look at the size of him.
He probably has sonar.
They're like a bunch of dogs when they're begging for a treat. Oh my God. I've heard a lot about this coaster. I'm excited. Great roller coaster. I really want to see my photo that we took. Into the shark encounter we go. Now, judging by the photos, normally the photos make it look pretty good. That pizza looks like a Lunchable. Now, you know what doesn't look like a Lunchable? The new merch. We made our first merch face mask. Let's see how it is. Ooh, no. This is our logo for the quarantine mask.
Coronavirus!
Now, my favorite show of all time is Lost, and this is kind of based off the Dharma Initiative, kind of based on that design. And guys, now we officially have our own merch mask. I can't believe this is an actual thing right now. Now, what I've really been waiting for, the t-shirt. For this design, I wanted something kind of like an inside joke, where you got it, but you could also wear it in public. Okay, let me try it on. Okay, there we go. That's nice. Woo! Okay, so probably thinking, what is this lettering? What does this mean? So the lettering is in Arabic, that's the language of Star Wars, and it says my nickname, Lil Churro. It's nice, it's simple. Now, personally, I cannot wait to visit Galaxy's Edge wearing this shirt so I can have all the cast members trying to code it, and when they do, be utterly confused on what the word Lil Churro means. I was like, okay, imagine like if the Supreme logo was being sold at Batu. This is what I was kind of going for. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to purchase them, everything is on redbubble.com. I'm going to put a link, a little card up there, or a link in the description. It still blows my mind that the nickname Lil Churro, it started out with just a little joke in a video, and you guys.
Little churro, here's your venti hot chocolate.
Woo! Thank you. You guys turn it into so much more. It's crazy because when you guys meet me in the park, you just yell Lil Churro, and I love watching everybody's face when they hear a person just yelling Lil Churro in the middle of a crowded park. I just want to thank you for all the love and support you've given me throughout the years. It's still mind-blowing that anybody watches these videos. It's even crazier that you guys can spot me in the park while I'm wearing a mask. So I hope everyone had a good week. I know it was a little upsetting that Halloween Horror Nights got canceled. The next video is gonna be us going to Universal, and I kind of talk about like what happened. It's really sad, and it's such a big event here for everyone down here in Orlando. And also Not So Scary is also canceled for Disney, so kind of Halloween is canceled down here, yeah. Now, one of the other sad things is all cast members are blocked out of the Disney parks until November. Don't worry, I still have a bunch of other videos I still have to edit, and I have tons of ideas, so don't worry, there'll be plenty of content coming your way. Let me know down in the comments some different types of other merch designs you'd like for me to create. Now, if you guys enjoyed the new merch design, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I send you a personal notification every single time I post a new video. I see you all this Thursday. And just remember, one of the most important things in life is just to have fun. Love you guys. I can't be the only one, but these kind of make me a little uncomfy. Especially this one. What you thinking about, Santa?